Cassie,
Kim, Nani.
trying e-learning.
Woo!
Our topic for today is
Kim, what are you doing?
Experimenting!
On what?
Pressure!
Pressure?
Give me your pitch, baby. I gotta tell you a little something about pressure. Yeah, P-R-E-S-S-U-R-E, baby. If you understand it, then it won't be too hard to do. Oh, wow.
Whoa, I thought we're supposed to be talking about pressure. Alright, pressure.
So, what is pressure for you?
Ano yan?
I don't know.
Here is our definition of pressure.
So, by its very definition, pressure means the amount of force that presses on a certain area.
Pressure can be found almost everywhere, actually. Whether you're cutting an apple, sticking a safety pin in your clothes, or even standing up, pressure is present in all activities. The unit is also called Pascal, named after Blaise Pascal, who investigated air pressure.
Now let's have some examples.
So, for example, in the beach, do you notice you leave behind a pair of footprints? This is because the force is your own weight pressing downwards on solid ground. If you can spread your weight over a larger area, it may prevent you from sinking easily.
Annie will show us an example for problem solving in surface pressure. So, the question is, an elephant weighing 40,000 newtons stands on the ground with an area of 1,000 centimeters squared, which we then convert to 1/10 meters squared. Now, what pressure is exerted on the ground? So, we'll do our formula force over area, which we input to 40,000 newtons over 1/10 meters squared, which will give us the answer of 400,000 meters. Thank you for showing that to us, Annie.
Surface pressure is the kind of pressure which enables force acting upon an area. Its unit is force per unit area, or pressure is equal to force, which is Newton, over area, which is meter squared. Let's move on to the second type of pressure, fluid pressure.
Pressure can also increase with depth. Along with depth, pressure also depends on the density of a liquid and pull of gravity.
An example we have is water coming out of the tap from underneath. Water doesn't flow uphill by itself, so something must be pushing it. That something is pressure.
Fluid pressure is equal to gravity times its density multiplied to its depth. Yeah.
The last type of pressure is air pressure.
Air pressure forces air in all directions. It will try to force air in any place where there is no air. Another way to say is that air will try to fill up a vacuum.
These are the other types of pressure.
Hey again! So, thank you for watching our video
We hope you enjoyed it.
and learned something from it. So, don't be afraid to like this video for a grade.
Please, yes, please
Yes,
like it.
please.
Please,
So,
just
anyway,
like,
this is the end. Bye!